Well, we seem to have survived the snowstorm so far here in NC. Still got some really cold days ahead. Hopefully there's no power lines or trees that go down anytime soon. But so far so good. We had plenty of stuff to keep us safe and secure if we needed it. And we've used a little bit of it, but not much. But yeah, that's a pretty morning today. It's a little warmer, but it's gonna get really cold tonight. Hey, Silkies. Silkies. Of course, they enjoyed all the snow. They basically just walked around in it. Even the babies just kind of laid around in it. So they got those natural fleece covers. But yeah, it was adventurous. You know, it's kind of a nail biter, if you will. But it turned out to be really nice. Unfortunately, I couldn't go to work today. Pretty sad about that. I want to go make some coffee and kind of enjoy the morning. We got some new babies. We're trying to make sure they stay warm, taken care of, some little goats. And so I'm gonna work on that today. I gotta package some of our ground pork. Gotta cook some good food and just enjoy this time together as a family. All the animals fared pretty well. The sheep, of course, enjoyed everything they did, or everything. All right, y'all, it is snowing. Look at that. Look how deep this snow is. That's a good little snow this year. Haven't had one of these in a while. Trying to figure out how to navigate through all this. Keep the animals fed and warmed and watered. So I'm about to turn around here. Little side by side in action today. Got some bald tires, but it's working out all right. I didn't get them switched over to the new tire just yet. Airships. Epics. Scratch your butt. This is amazing. I don't think we've ever had a snow like this in a long time. See how deep it is. So I'm out here trying to get the piggies some food. I got a shelter and they're not using it, so right now they're using their little hay nest set up over there, so they're keeping each other warm, but they seem to be doing all right. Hey, sheeps. Hey, sheeps. Y'all don't even mind the snow. Okay, it is cold, about 15 degrees this morning. Going out here to give everybody some hay, make sure everybody survived the night okay, check on my chickens, check on my baby goats and baby sheeps, and then I'm gonna go inside and cook some breakfast. All right, here is the aftermath. Next day. What a beautiful, beautiful sight. Oh, it's so cold out here. Gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna leave you with some four-wheeler footage. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Like and subscribe. Stay warm. I'm ready for spring. See ya.